gas safety and facilities maintenance, and where to shut the gas off on your building. So this is what a typical gas meter looks like, residential or commercial. Some of the commercial ones look slightly different, but a lot of them are pretty much like this. You have the gas line that comes up into a regulator, goes through the meter into the building. Everything after the meter, as you can see in the picture, is the customer's responsibility. The meter, the regulator, and even that shutoff valve and the piping is the utility-owned, utility's responsibility. This is what a typical gas shutoff valve looks like. There's two flats. They can put an adjustable wrench or a pipe wrench on to turn the gas on and off. It's a good idea to know where your gas meter is located on the outside of your building in the event of emergency, or if you need to plumb in a new gas line, where to shut it off at. And sometimes these shut-off valves can be hard to move, especially if they haven't been exercised in a long time, so just keep that in mind. But everyone in the maintenance team, facilities manager, building manager, even in your own home, you really want to know where that gas shutoff is. Usually they're painted gray. This one obviously was painted to match the house. So here I put an adjustable wrench on the shutoff valve. You turn it perpendicular to the pipe, and that shuts the gas off. And then you open it so it's parallel with the pipe, and that turns the gas back on. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, ring the bell, and leave a comment for future video topics you'd like me to cover.